Hi everyone! Today we will be covering how to enroll for AROMS and to access your 3 free lectures. We're going to start by visiting our website www.goaroms.com and click on the Enroll button on the top right-hand side. This is the intake form. You will complete all of these fields here, and once you've done that, you will click Enroll. So we filled out the enrollment form, and this is what the screen will look like as soon as you click Enroll Now. You will have access to 3 free lectures, and those will be highlighted in orange. The first one is Airway Management, the second is Management of Third Molars, and the third is Anatomy of the TMJ. If you click on these free 3 lectures, you will be able to view the entirety of those, and that's it. If you encounter any issues, look for the Support tab on the AROMS website for additional assistance. Enjoy your first steps in AROMS and happy learning.